Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. Today's tutorial is going to be based on characters. You can see right up here, characters are used in programming for a variety of purposes, such as input, validation, encryption, manipulation of text and data. For example, a programmer might use the character data type to store single letter of an alphabet, a punctuation mark, or a digit. So what we're going to do first of all is to declare a character here. So I'm going to just say character. That's my variable. Let's assume it's going to be A. So I've just declared my variable, my character variable there. Then the next thing is I'm going to have to use the Python function to print out this character. So I'm going to say print, let's say character, and the character that I'm about to print is what? So let's enter comma in there, enter comma here, and then just enter the variable that I've just declared. There we go. So what will happen is if I run the program, that should print out letter A. So let's save this first. So I'm going to go to file, save as, let's call it py underscore yt underscore character. There we go. Save that there. So I'm going to run it now. As you can tell, there we go, letter A is printed. Now the next thing, if you look at underneath here, say check if it is a letter. So which means in this case we can always use an if statement to check if this character is a letter. So let's say using an if statement, if character dot is alpha, so, and that is the function to check. So if is alphabet, so what we want the system to do is just print out something that's say it is a letter, something like that. So I'm going to grab hold of this, paste it right here underneath here, make sure it's indented, and just say it is a letter. So if it's a letter, that will be printed. Okay, and you can also say else it's not a letter, it's not a letter. So if I run it now, let's see what's going to happen. There we go. Yes, it is a letter. Okay, next one is check if it is uppercase or lowercase. So I'm going to use an if statement again, so I can grab hold of all of these, just dump it right there. No, let's grab hold of everything here, dump it here, and just change it around. So here, so upper, there we go, and we just want it to print out it is uppercase. So change this, else it is, or we can just say it is here, it is lowercase, else it is lowercase. So I'm going to run that. Let's run it and see how that's going to look like now. Click on run. There we go, it's saying it is an uppercase. Alright, supposing I change it to lowercase, let's see what's going to happen. Now run. It is lowercase. Okay, and it's a letter, and that's the character. Okay, you get that. So undo that. Now the next activity for us here is check if it is a digit. Is it a digit? Knowing fully well it's not a digit, so I'm going to copy all of it and just dump it right here. So let's scroll up a little bit. Now all we want to do is just to character dot is digit. Okay, is it a digit? No, it's not a digit. Let's grab all of that. Is okay, let's say it's not a digit. Okay, it's not a digit, and this one, it is a digit. Let's say it is a digit. Okay, so now let's run that and see what's going on. Run. There. Okay, as you can see, it is a digit. Okay, and okay guys, let's change the order of this if statement. This was meant to be underneath here. There, paste this here, and this should be right up there. Okay, so let's try it out. So run. There we go. Yeah, you see that it's telling us it's not a digit. Okay, so let's continue now. The next thing is looking here, convert the character to ASCII. So I believe you guys know what an ASCII stands for. That stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So I'm going to declare an ASCII there. Okay, let's say underscore value, and the value is going to be war. That's the function that will convert it to an ASCII code for me. So I'm now going to get hold of this definition, sorry, the variable that I've declared in there. So let's just say print. I want you to print out the ASCII code. So that's going to be, let's say F. That should be in a, let's say F quote, and I just want it to be an ASCII value. Put it in lowercase. Yeah. Close that with, and here I'm going to enter curly braces so that it can display whatever value I have in here. And that is it. Just make sure copy the variable that was declared, paste that in here. So which means it is, undo that, paste it again and see. Yeah. Okay, that should give me whatever I have inside char. Okay, but I was meant to use this. I'm using the wrong thing. I meant to use this variable and paste that in there. Yeah, my variable that was declared. So if I run it now, let's run and see what's gonna happen. Run. That should give me the ASCII code for letter A. There we go. The ASCII code for letter A is 65. So let's try another one out. So we can say we go for maybe G. Run. There we go. That's the ASCII code for G. What about lowercase d? There. Oh, G is 100. Okay, now finally let's convert an ASCII value back to character. So how do we go about that? So I'm going to say new value equals this and that. So let's grab hold of this, dump it in here, and let's just change this. Undo that. I want to grab hold of all of this, paste it here, and change this to new value. And that new value, we just want you to change this. So I'm going to grab hold of this, and here we say character. Give us a character of that and paste that in here, and here it become new. There we go. And that is it. So all I just need to enter in here now, we can just say character from ASCII value. So let's say character from ASCII value is this. change this to uppercase. There we go. And that's all there is to it. So I'm going to run that and just see what will happen. Oh, before that we need to change this. Oh, it's new, that's fine, new value. So, or we can just call it new character, something like that. Yeah, new character. Before I run it, I change this one to new character as well. There we go. Okay, let's run that. Run. There. Oh, we have an error. Let me check, what did I do wrong? There we go. Look, I left the V there, that's not allowed, so it's supposed to be new character. So run that again. There we go, look at that. So character from ASCII, and that is the ASCII code for alphabet D, and that is how you create your own character or put a program together using character in Python. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys shortly with more beginners Python tutorial. You have a nice day now, and bye for now.